Hi everyone, this is Evie, and tonight I'm doing a soda bottle bottom pour. It's kind of what I'm doing. It's going to be kind of a modified dirty pour because some of my paints are mixed with other paint colors, some of them are not. So to start off with, let's start off with this violet. And all my paints have Floetrol, water, and a few drops of silicone. Actually, we are going to start off with white. Totally forgot. I want to get the canvas all covered in white paint so that we can have a smoother flow, so the paint can move around more freely. Okay, got white all over the canvas. I will put this in the center this time. Got a lot of white paint everywhere. I'm determined to have enough paint this time. Okay, so we're going to start with the violet. Then we have a green sort of color, a dark green. Go ahead and pour that in. I think I'm favoring one side to the other. I like that mixture, that color combination. Okay, now we have a lighter green, more of a yellow green. Okay. Then we have a blue. Okay. And a yellow. In this yellow, I have swirled in a tiny bit of gold. Actually, before I do the yellow with the gold in it, how about I do a little bit of gold by itself? Just a tiny bit. Oh, actually, I should have done the yellow. So I want to see the yellow against that blue. But not too much gold, so let's put in the yellow. I think there's a tilt to my table. Looks pretty good. My dirty yellow. Now some orange. Okay. Oopsie. Not good. Spilling paint everywhere. Okay. Actually, I think there is a tilt, so I'm turning things around. Okay. Red. Not too much red. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this a little. Okay. And do it again. Start with color. That was violet, dark green, light green, blue, yellow, orange. I think the orange also has a little bit of gold in it too, not just the yellow. Orange. And red. Okay. Now I'm going to lift this without incident. Okay. Lift this without incident. Yay! Okay, let it all get together. And in the center, I am going to put some gold in the center. Yes, this has so much paint. I don't think I need to tilt this much, but let's see. I'm gonna put some paint around the corners. Okay, shall I tilt it? I like the way it looks. I really don't want to tilt it. Okay, so this is my soda bottle bottom pour. Please comment and let me know. Actually, before I go, since I have silicone in the paints, let me see if I can get some cells. I see some developing. So let me see if I can get some cells. Ready? And I don't have a torch, so I'm using a hair dryer. Not very many cells.